Mama Africa, hear me. Still your son, still your son. Mama Africa, hear me. I'm not done, I'm not done. Red dust in my teeth, but a post rusted gate. Passport name don't match the way my spirit is. They say go find yourself, like I was ever lost. I was carved from your clay, branded deep by your cross. I see your children trade golden ground for a stamp, sleeping under flags that never knew their grandma. But when the sirens scream, every accent runs home to the mother in the marrow, in the secret of the bone. Mama Africa, hear me. I'm your drum in the distance, I'm your child in the system. I won't break our resistance. Mama Africa, hear me. I still bleed in your colors, I still breathe for my brothers. Teach me how to love you stronger. Market smoke, money rain, names chanted like prayers. Women rapping whole worlds on their heads, up the stairs. Politicians shake hands with pockets full of our bread, but the widows still sing to a God who never fled. I've seen pastors sell hope by the bottle, by the hour, while a small boy walks past, holding silence like a flower. So I speak to your pain like a prophet in chains. If I ever leave you, ma, let my tongue know shame. Mama Africa, hear me. I'm your drum in the distance, I'm your child in the system. I won't break our resistance. Mama Africa, hear me. I still bleed in your colors, I still breathe for my brothers. Teach me how to love you stronger. If I rise from your soil. If I fall in your dust. If I eat from your toil. If I lead in your trust. Call my name when the night feels long. Oh yeah, call my name. I return in a song. Mama Africa, hear me. I'm your drum in the distance, I'm your child in the system.